the solution for this example. So firstly, what we're going to do is work on the dates, this gray area here. So in order to format dates, I'm going to highlight those cells. Depending how you want to do it, I'm going to right click and say format cells. This looks like it's dates. I'm going to go to dates, and it looks like it's long form. You can see there's a long form over here. So I'm going to say OK, and you can see it's now exactly the same. Just going to make this a bit bigger just to match that. Notice that this seems to be right aligned. That seems to be in the middle. So to make them the same, I'm going to come up here, and there's an item here called center. We'll click on the center, and it looks like they're the same. We can just check a few things. So there's the font and the size. Same font and size. So it looks like we've replicated that. I'm just going to remove the background color so we know we've done it. Next, let's work on this area over here. So this projected cost, if I looked at it over here, it seems to be in the same cell. This one's extended. So I'm going to go right click, format cells, under alignment. We've got something called wrap text. When I say OK, that's looking a little bit better. If I click here, you'll see it's bold. So let's just go do that. You can see this projected fits a little bit better than here. So let's just increase that a little bit. We now want to make it a background color of blue. So I'm going to right click, and I can say format cells, or there's a shortcut method here where I can go to the full color. And let's see if we can match it. Okay, that looks like the right color. So that looks about right. Similarly over here, so now the one thing is the font here is red. We need to make it white. So I can right click, and you can either go to format cells, or there's a shortcut here where we can choose the font, or over here there's a format, so I'm going to use that one, choose white. You'll see it changes to white. Again, this one seems to be bold. Let's make that one bold. And I'm going to right click and go full with this color. Notice as well that this one seems to be halfway between the cells. So I'm going to right click, go format cells. We can decide how we want it to align horizontally. So that's when we were over here, we made it center. We can also decide vertically what it should be. So I'm going to say it must be in the center. And when we say OK, you'll see it now looks very similar. Let's now move on to this area here. So it looks like this column is a little bit wider. So I'm going to come here, and all I'm going to do is double click. So that looks about right. Now it looks like this one, we've now got the right height, width, right width. Over here, if you look at this one, it seems to be a bit darker. It's because it's bold. That one's not, hasn't got bold on. So let's come here and switch it off. If I look at phone, that one's got nothing. This one is bold and italic. So let's switch off both. Electricity also, bold and italic. And now if we just get rid of the gray cells. Okay, so that's looking very similar. Lastly, if you look at this section, it talks about annual cost, and yet for some reason we've got 800%. Over here we've got rand amounts. So we need to change the format of these numbers. So I've highlighted those cells, right click, go to format cells, number, and now we need to change it. So let's see, let's try currency, rands. It looks like it needs 2 decimal places. Let's say OK. Okay, so that looks correct. Yep, that looks correct. Let's right click, remove the coloring, and now we've made these two very similar.